For this function, we're going to take a look at natural language search in views. If you're used to the system, this look of the form is called a view. And if you're aware, as you go into each of your record types, it will start by taking you to the view. So in here, as you can see, you have your company provided filters that allow you to quickly get to specific information. But what we have now is the functionality here to be able to search in your own words. Now, anyone who was used to the system will know that edit filters function here was how you could go in and you could see it's looking at me as the current owner, that the record is active. And if I want to add any additional filtering, I'd have to go in and find the field and then set the criteria around it. So what I can do now is come in here, and you'll see when I come into it, it gives me some suggestions of what I might be looking for. Or I can come in and just type it myself. So I'm going to go So you can put a number of filtering criteria into that search. And it will go and look at the various fields that it can pull that information from. So you'll see here it's gone and looked at the full name, and it's also gone and looked at the description field. If I decide that I actually wasn't looking for that partner, for some reason I thought they were called Alex, but I didn't find who I was looking for, rather than retyping the filter, you can come and just remove a single option in your view, and it will reset the rest of that search. So it's still filtering by partner, it's just no longer filtering by Alex. When it comes down to the system, you'll also see that in the headers, in the view I'm looking at here, the description field's not listed. So it isn't a problem if the field you're looking for isn't actually in the view you're looking at. You can actually search that information without that being in the headers. It will still go and look at all of the fields inside your record to find that information. So it's worth understanding that that is something you can find. So you'll also see that when you're doing a search, it can come and look up fields like company name. So if they've got a relationship to some other record that's held on that table, you will be able to find that information as well. If you're looking for a deeper search, you would look at using the chatbot, which is not currently active on the right-hand side of the screen. But for the natural language search, this is where you basically type in what you're looking for. You may have to adjust the text that you're using. My recommendation is try and use the name of the field, but that isn't always explicit that it's required. And you'll see at any point, if you just want to clear it and go back to your view, you can just close those details, or you can come in here and select the views that you've been given. So that's how to use the natural language search for views.